Hello everyone.
So third condition today we have to start. So third condition, third sum. In that question, S and P are partners for the ratio 4 is to 5. They admitted J as a new partner for 1/9 share, which he acquires equally, from S and P. Question, you got it? What I am going to do? S and P are partners for 4 is to 5. J, one new partner admitted.
Yes, ma'am.
S and P are partners for 4 is to 5. J admitted for 1/9 share. Now, in this new information, they have given that J will get his share from S and P equally. Acquired his share from S and P equally. So, something different condition came. So, when this type of acquired condition is going to come, in this varieties, first we are going to calculate sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio, S is sacrificing and P is sacrificing because all partners are going to sacrifice. So see how I am going to calculate that. First I am writing new partner share and ratio for S is 1. So 1/2 S is bearing, ratio for P is also 1. So 1/2 P is bearing. So 1/18 S is giving to J and 1/18 P is giving to J. Tell me, this much is clear how we have calculated sacrificing ratio?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now if we are having sacrificing ratio, so we have to calculate new ratio. So new ratio we are going to calculate that day formula I had given you. Old ratio minus sacrificing ratio will be giving us new ratio. So we have to calculate S, we have to calculate P and we have to calculate J because he is also now admitted as a partner. So S old ratio is 4/9, P old ratio is 5/9 and J came for 1/9. Now sacrificing is 1/18, sacrificing is 1/18 and here he is gaining, so nothing we have to do. So as we are going to take LCM, so it is 18, 9 2s are 2 4s are 8 minus 1, that means 7/18, 18, 9 2s are 2 5s are 10 minus 1, 9/18 and here denominators are 18, so we have to make J denominator also 18. So what should we multiply with 9 so that we will get 18? So 9 2s are 18, so we have to rationalize by 2. So it is 2/18 and now we will write all the numerators. This is your new ratio. Clear how to calculate new ratio in this condition?
Yes, ma'am.
Noted fast. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in this question, to find sacrifice ratio, why we not multiply it with old ratio?
Old ratio because if new partner share is not given, one more condition is going to come where new partner share is not given. So we will be calculating sacrificing ratio by multiplying with the old ratio. But if new partner share is given, so we will be multiplying by that only, so that we will be getting exactly J ratio that they ask. See 1/18, 1/18 if we are adding, so it will be 2/18, 2/18 को छोटा करोगे तो 1/9. So that means J का share clearly आ जाता है. So due to that we are using this method. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay. So our next condition, now fourth condition we are going to start. these varieties I will give the number, then you have to do homework today itself. So now today we are going to start next variety is question number 4 only. So in this question, see now what they have mentioned here. In this condition they are saying W and U are old partners, ratio 3:1. They admitted V as a new partner, V share is not given. W surrender half of his share and you surrender 1/6 of his share. So see now in this condition what to do. Here something difference is there comparing to last sum. Here new partner share is not given. So how we are going to calculate sacrificing ratio of W and U? So here we have to multiply by W as last question she is saying. So we are taking W share is 3/4 and U share is 1/4. W is giving 1/2 of his share and U is giving 1/6 of his share. So in this way we will get sacrificing ratio. So this is clear. In this method we have to use this technique to calculate sacrificing ratio.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And if we are having sacrificing ratio, then how we are going to calculate new ratio? Tell me, beta. What is the formula we are using to calculate new ratio?
Old ratio minus sacrificing ratio. Ratio minus sacrificing ratio.
Yes, old ratio minus sacrificing ratio. So we have to calculate for W, we have to calculate for U, we have to calculate for V. W old ratio is 3/4 and he is sacrificing 3/8. U's the old ratio is 1/4 and he is sacrificing 1/24. V share is not given. So कैसे निकालें V share? These two partners have sacrificed. So sacrificing, if we are adding, so we will get the V share because they are sacrificing for V. So they are sacrificing for V. So sum total of these two share will be getting the V share. So here we are taking LCM 8, 4 2s are 2 3s are 3/8. Here we are taking LCM 24, 5/24, and here LCM is 24 only. But two partners denominator is 24, here it is 3, 8. So we have to make 24. So 8 3s are 9/24. So our new ratio is 9:5:10. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are moving to question number 5th. Question number 5th is giving us P and Q are partners. Ratio 5:3. Are admitted as a new partner who gets 1/8 of his share in profit entirely from Q. Entirely from Q. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ बेटा? दो पुराने पार्टनर्स हैं P और Q 5:3 के। R एक नया पार्टनर आया 1/8 शेयर के लिए, और R को शेयर पूरा का पूरा Q दे रहा है, मतलब पूरा का पूरा कौन सेक्रीफाइस कर रहा है? Q। तो सेक्रीफाइसिंग रेशो हमें मालूम ही है, तो हमें सेक्रीफाइसिंग निकालने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, सीधे हम न्यू रेशो निकालेंगे। ओल्ड रेशो माइनस सेक्रीफाइसिंग रेशो, P का, Q का और R का। P का ओल्ड रेशो है 5/8, Q का ओल्ड रेशो है 3/8 और R आया है 1/8 के लिए। P तो किसी को कुछ भी नहीं दे रहा, इसलिए कुछ नहीं करेंगे। Q पूरा का पूरा R को दे रहा है, तो Q में से माइनस कर देंगे, तो बस ये 5/8, ये 2/8, ये 1/8। सो हमारा न्यू रेशो हो गया 5:2:1। इजी मेथड, यस ना? Clear this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sixth question is like that only. So now we are moving to 7th question. So 6th is homework for you all. It is like same this square ID, entirely condition they have mentioned. So now question number 7. Question number 7, they are saying Sam, Pam and Ram is a partner. Sam, Pam are old partners. Ram admitted as a new partner. Ratio for Sam, Pam is 2:1. Old ratio is 2:1 given. And new ratio is given 1:3. We have to calculate sacrificing ratio. Anyone who can say how to calculate sacrificing ratio? We are having old ratio, we are having new ratio. Tell me. Yes, old ratio minus new ratio will be giving us sacrificing ratio. So it's also simple condition. Old ratio minus new ratio is giving us sacrificing ratio. So sacrificing ratio of which person we have to calculate? Sam and Pam. Ram also we have to calculate sacrificing ratio or not?
No, ma'am. Only Sam and Pam.
Why?
Because Ram is a new partner.
Yes, Ram is a new partner. He will gain, not he will sacrifice due to that. So old ratio of Sam is given 2/3 and Pam is given 1/3. New ratio is given 1/6, 2/6. We are taking LCM 6. 4 minus 1, 3/6. We are taking LCM 6. 2 minus 2, 0/6. That means only Sam is sacrificing, Pam is not sacrificing anything. Clear this thing also?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now all the conditions are over. You read the questions, now you are able to do whole sums.
Keep studying.